guys, get ready for me for Thanksgiving saying things I'm grateful for. So before I get started, if you guys didn't notice, I'm camping right now, so the background's different. Obviously, first I would have to say my family. My family has helped me so much throughout my journey. They're always there for me and always helpful and supportive. Next, I would have to say all my friends. Once again, they're always there for me and I love them so much. Next up, I have to say all my nurses, therapists, doctors, everybody that helps me in my health journey. I don't know what I'd be doing without them. Next up, of course, I'd have to say all of you guys. You guys are helping my dreams come true and I just love all your support.
This icon was not wanting to cooperate.
Next, I would definitely have to say my grandparents. They're always there for me. Next, of course, I would have to say my school staff. All my counselors, principals, teachers helped me so much when I was in public school and they made my time there very fun and they were so helpful. Next up, I would definitely say that I'm very grateful for food, water, and a roof over our heads. Next up, of course, I would have to say all my animals. Love them so much. They make me have so much joy.
Guys, it is literally so hot in here right now.
Next up, I'm definitely grateful for all my homeschool teachers. They always accommodate and help me. I'm thankful for sunsets. I'm also thankful for music. I'm thankful to be here camping. I'm so excited for Thanksgiving. Yes! And one of our friends is coming tomorrow, so I'm very excited for that. I'm thankful for the beach and all of nature. I literally love nature so much. The amount of times my phone has fallen down while filming this, maybe like 67 times. I'm thankful for my fan that gets me through every night because I overheat so bad. Thankful for hugs. When I tell you guys, I love hugs so much. Let's do my lip stain real quick. It's kind of hard to talk with this on, but I'm thankful for all the things that get me through every single day. I'm thankful for IVIG. As much as I hate it, it's a treatment that really helps me. Also, I'm thankful for acupuncture. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. I'm thankful for holidays like Thanksgiving, Christmas, and more. Also, I'm thankful for the Lord. I think I can take this off now. I'm thankful for all my amazing Panda Pals friends. I'm so happy I have a community of people I can go to when I'm struggling and that just like get me. I'm grateful for my bigger sister, Allie. She always helps me at 3 a.m. when I can't go to sleep. Also, I'm really grateful for my Aunt Christy. She's always there for me. Also, I'm super grateful for my cousin Zoe. She'll call me every day and play Roblox with me. I'm gonna go get into my Thanksgiving outfit. Hey guys, I'm all done. Once again, I hope everybody has a blessed Thanksgiving. I barely see my outfit right now, but I'll show you guys later. Bye, love you guys.